Honestly, you can say that again. I am living the life.
It's shining all over you. You're glowing.
Right?
Yes, just like the morning sun.
I'm just living in the bubbles, okay? Honestly, marriage is sweet. I'm not just gonna lie. It is sweet. I tell you.
Just wish Ben would grow up and do the needful.
Did you just say Ben? Is that his name? Dima, we've been friends for a long time now. And you've never really told me who you're dating. You've kept that a secret from me, your best friend. But I wonder why.
Amara, I will tell you when the time is right.
When the time is right. And when will the time ever be right? No, because it baffles me. Why you've decided to keep this a secret? Come on, this is not right, girl.
It's not like that, okay? I understand how you feel about this, but I promise I'm going to tell you as soon as possible. Maybe then you understand why the delay.
And when is this soon? Soon. I mean, it took you 5 years to let his name out. Who knows? It might take you another 5 years to eventually show me this guy that you were dating. Now what for you? Are you be secret, girl? Honestly.
I will always be by your side. Even when I will do everything for you. Even when I will sacrifice for your sake. Cause blood is thicker than water. As you're in a jam, one nigga, dear. Brotherly love.
Welcome. What is going on here? Am I speaking French? What is going on here?
Amara, she's just helping me out with my nails and nothing to it.
Oh, nothing to it. With your leg on her thighs. Why she smiles like a confused square word. Yet, nothing to it. Chibike, so this is how you've been cheating under your special human with this square word.
Please, Amara, you don't have to overstress this. I mean, what is even wrong with your maid helping me out with my nails and leg? And why would you even be thinking that I'm sleeping with her?
Men will always be men. But we'll get back to this later. And you, pick yourself out of this place this instant. Yes, Mom. A question. Why are you throwing up?
If she is throwing up, then what she needs is medication and not interrogation.
Please stay out of this. I wasn't talking to you. You know, I've been noticing some changes in your body for the past few days, but I wasn't quite sure. When was the last time you saw your period? answer my question!
Nothing in this month, ma.
Why do I have the feeling that you know that you are pregnant?
Pregnant? Because you are pregnant?
I knew it. I knew it.
Because you're pregnant. How come you didn't tell me about it?
I was afraid how you react. I was waiting for the right moment.
For how long has this been going on?
Nothing is going on. It just happened.
Well, what I saw doesn't look like a one of something. So you've been frolicking with my maid right under my roof.
Amara, can you just calm down? Nkechi is just a mistake that I've already corrected. I mean, I was drunk.
Of course, you were, and still drunk. For your information, she is leaving my house before the end of today. Without pregnancy.
What do you mean by without the pregnancy?
I'm sure I spoke English and you clearly understood.
Sorry, that wouldn't happen.
Don't push me. Do not push me.
You never told me about it.
I was waiting for the right moment.
There is no time like the best moment. All you should have done was to tell me.
Now that you know, what should we do about it?
You will get rid of that bastard in your womb.
I'm sorry, ma, but why should I get rid of my unborn child?
Because you are my maid. You are under my roof and my payroll. You will get rid of this thing.
That is not enough reason, ma. I don't know why you want me to do this, but I'm sorry, I'm going to keep it. And I will leave your house. Besides, I never said it belongs to Ogachibike.
Nkechi, what are you talking about?
I'm sorry, Chibike. I have a boyfriend, and he is responsible for my pregnancy. If you must know, I never loved you. I was only in for the money. My bag is already packed. I'll just go in, get it, and leave. Sorry about that.
Sorry.
How could you fall for this temptation? How could you fall for this deceit?
How could you, Chibike, with a maid?
Amara, listen,
No, you listen to me. You listen. You disrespected me. Desecrated my home without fear, without regards. You see, I was able to convince my husband to build that state-of-art lab for you. But obviously, you do not deserve it, not one bit. And I will make sure I convince him otherwise.
You wouldn't dare.
Really?
Oh, yes.
I wonder how incapacitated you think I am. You watch and see.
Amara, listen. I know you're angry with me, but don't take a decision you will surely regret. We can just settle all this amicably.
Amicably?
Oh, yes.
You must think I'm bluffing, Chibike. Amicably? Hell no. You lost that privilege.
Amara. Amara.
Sweet loving soul has turned to a beast. The devil is ready to manipulate. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Run away from gossip.
Hello? Yeah, Dr. Sita. What? Doctor, how is he?
Not good, I must say. Did something happen to him, or it's just his usual?
Doctor, what are you talking about?
He was obviously drinking while driving, judging from the smell around him when he was rushed here, and the level of alcohol found in his system. Does he do that often?
Alcohol? My brother that I don't doesn't take alcohol at all. To my best knowledge, he doesn't. He takes alcohol only once in a while, occasionally. Oh, yes. He only takes alcohol whenever he's under emotional trauma. Babe, you were in the house with him. Did anything happen?
None that I know of. Oh, I overheard him talking to someone over the phone in a very high tune, and afterwards he just left the house.
And what was the discussion?
I don't know. You don't expect me eavesdropping on his conversation. I don't know.
That is okay. I think he will be in a better position to explain when he wakes up. For now, I would advise you should allow him to rest.
Okay. Thank you.
I will always be by your side. Even when I'm out, I will do everything for you. Even when I'm out.
Doctor, what did you just say?
Well, your brother has a thoracic and labia spinal injuries. And from what I've seen so far, he will be needing a wheelchair for mobility.
What?
Wait, hold on, doctor. You mean he's not going to be able to walk again?
The chances are slim, and that is not all. I'm afraid his erectile function is affected too.
Erectile dysfunction? Wait, hold on. Wait. By that you mean he's not going to be able to perform his manly duty?
Not to jump into conclusion. Erectile dysfunction is treatable, but the chances are slim, like I said earlier, because some of the nerves an actress has been damaged. So we'll keep trying our best and hope for a miracle too.
This is unbelievable. Evil called Dima. Hi, hello, Dima.
Baby girl, what's up?
You expect me to say that I'm fine?
Amara, I understand, but you have to take it easy on yourself, please.
That's not the reason I called. Listen. I saw Pastor Ben.
Pastor Ben? Where?
Just on my way to my house. I saw him standing with a lady. They were being all cozy and loving and, touchy. I saw him.
What? Pastor Ben? But he... Oh my God. Babes, are you sure it was him you saw?
I don't understand. Like I won't recognize Pastor Ben when I see him. It was him I saw. I'm sure of that. Dima, when are you back?
I don't know yet, but I will try. I'll try and come back soon.
Okay, fine. Come back and come to my house. We have a whole lot to talk about. A lot. This is crazy. Alright. See you. Bye. Oh my goodness. Pastor Ben. This is unbelievable. This is crazy. My body's shaking. Chibike, is everything okay? Is everything alright? You look moody. Why are you always moody?
I want my child.
What? What? Chidima?
Yes?
Chidima, Chibike is my husband's younger brother.
And then? You were talking about leaving your husband with his whole influence, and I've just given you an alternative. Besides, you've told me a couple of times that you love this guy.
I had a crush. I didn't say love. Big difference.
So what's the difference between the two? My dear, stop being in denial and face the reality. You love this guy. I mean, you love him. This is an opportunity for you to get him. And also make kids from him for your husband. You will stay married and stay happy. Baby girl, is a win-win for you. Besides, I'm happy you didn't confront Kamsiyochukwu because of his medical conditions.
Who raised you? You are so unbelievable.
Really? So what's the difference between the two? My dear, stop being in denial and face the reality. You love this guy. I mean, you love him. This is an opportunity for you to get him. And also make kids from him for your husband. You will stay married and stay happy. Baby girl, is a win-win for you. Besides, I'm happy you didn't confront Kamsiyochukwu because of his medical conditions.
Oh my goodness. This guy is cute and hot. I have tried to avoid him using my husband as an excuse, but it seems that sentiment holds no water. Kamsiyochukwu is a heartless betrayer. But now, how do I make this guy look my way without raising a dust? How do I make him see me? How do I make him hold me and kiss me? How do I seduce him? How do I go about this? Will he fall for me? Well, all men are same. Of course he would.
Can't believe I did this. Sleeping with my brother's wife. God.
Please, don't tell me you're regretting this. We just had a beautiful moment. We should be savoring on it, not regretting it.
Yeah, I know. But it's quite strange. What if he finds out?
How is he gonna find out? Are you planning on telling him?
No.
So?
Why would I tell him?
You're not planning on telling him, right?
No.
So forget it. Listen, I've always liked you. I have always got my eyes on you, but because of your brother, my husband, I kept holding back. But considering what he did to me, I have to throw caution in the wind. And we did it, and it's worth it, and I love it.
The truth is, I have always had my eyes on you. But you're always out of reach because you're my brother's wife.
See, that makes the two of us. So right now, you need to shake it off. And this time around, I want you to be a man. Stop doing like ice water. Hit it hard. You know what I mean? Babe, I am very sure that your brother got the infection that sterilized him from numerous women he has been with in the past.
Listen, my brother can be anything but not a philanderer. I know you're just looking for an excuse to justify what we are doing, but that is far from it. Besides, the issue of sterility wasn't mentioned in the test result, so he has a 50-50 chance of having a child.
I've heard you, okay? Enough of your brother and let's talk about us. Let's do one more, you know.
Amara, please, can you stop this?
Stop. You stop.
the way you're going about this, what if you get pregnant?
So? Who said it's a crime for me to get pregnant? Will heaven fall if I get pregnant?
For sure heaven is not going to fall. But have you ever wondered how he will feel if and when he gets to know that you're pregnant? What will you tell him is responsible?
You said it yourself that his situation is a 50-50 condition. So, if I should get pregnant now, I doubt if your brother is going to blink an eye. Okay? And besides, I am doing him a favor.
Amara.
Yes. You worried so much. Were you not the one that told me how your brother helped you growing up and still helping you till date? How about you see this as you paying him back, returning those favors? Say it that you were doing this to take away his shame. He's your brother. You love him. Me getting pregnant for you, I don't think it's that bad. It's still gonna be his kid. The most important thing is the same blood. Right? So, how about you stop worrying yourself and let's get it done? You know? Be a man.
Yeah.
Right? Good. I want to take charge. Lie down. Baby, I am really sorry about everything. Honestly, I am deeply sorry. I know my actions this past few months hasn't been really irrational. And that is because I've been hurt. But it's obvious I've not been taking it the right way. And I am here to say sorry. Please, my love. Forgive me. I am so sorry.
This is... I mean... Are you for real?
Yes. Yes, I am. I am being serious here. I know this past months, it hasn't been really easy for us. And I didn't even contribute in making it easy. Now I have realized my mistakes and I want to rewrite my wrongs. Please, baby, I miss you. I miss us. I miss everything about us. Please, don't take it too hard on me. I was just emotional and yes, I acted out of place. I'm sorry.
I can't believe you are the one doing this. This is just unbelievable. I mean, why the sudden change? What's going on?
It's GBK. GBK has been talking to me. Oh. He made me realize that there are better ways to approach situations. And, you know, initially I actually thought he was taking your side. But now I've been able to see reasons with him. You know. And I have realized my mistakes. So this is me saying sorry. I want us back better. I want you, my love.
It's okay, my love. I would have handled this better. Like a man that I am. But I failed. But I apologize for everything. I say I'm sorry. Please, Onny, please, you are to forgive me.
No, baby. You don't need to apologize. Okay? You don't have any reason to apologize for anything. For my actions were really irrational. That I know for sure. And this is me saying sorry. Okay. Your apology should come from me. Alright? This is me saying sorry. Oh, baby, you know I love you too. You know?
This is just unbelievable.
Is it? She is something that is more unbelievable. I missed you so much. Do you know I missed you so much?
Same here. I missed you even more. Like, you don't know how hard it has been for me all this while that I've not set my eyes on you.
So tell me, the special girl, special beautiful woman you mentioned at the dining, do you really mean all that?
Yes, every part of it. But I always think and pray we'll have a situation whereby it will just be the both of us without the fear of anyone.
Yes. Maybe one day opportunity will call for that. I mean, nature would provide us with an opportunity. You never can tell, you know.
Wow. What if it happens? What about our child?
You know, we agreed that, except the situation is favorable for the both of us and the child. Otherwise, the child, our daughter, remains your brother's. Okay? And again, I see how you shower her with so much love. I understand that she came from your loins. But please, please, she is still your brother's daughter.
Okay.
Don't forget that.
Yeah, I have not forgotten that. But babe, why do you always want us meeting here? Why don't us stay in my room instead?
Your room?
Yes.
Come on. I hope you don't want us raising suspicions. Your room is close to Nkechi's room. And you know how observant Amanda is. So I feel this place is just a better place for the both of us to meet.
Yeah, you're right. Quite fair enough. So tell me, baby girl, are you okay, or do you still want some ride to Joburg?
Are you asking? Is that supposed to be a question?
Alright, then let's hit it.
Let's make babies. Chibike, that wasn't the agreement.
What stupid agreement? What stupid agreement are you talking about? Just look at me. Take a good look at me, Amara. Was I like this the time we had whatever agreement you're talking about?
I know, okay? But then again, it is no one's fault that you're in this condition. Okay? This is not the agreement. The agreement states that it has to favor the both of us. And the kid. Otherwise, the girl remains your brother's.
Selfishness. This is selfishness. So because of my condition, I am now undeserving for you and my daughter.
No, that's not what I mean. But then, if you should go about it this way, that means it's only favorable to you. It's a selfish decision.
Good. Now tell me, how would you prefer him to get to know about this? From me or from you?
What are you talking about?
I'm giving you 2 days. I am giving you 2 days to talk to your husband about this.
Chibike, this wasn't our agreement.
Just 2 days.
Chibike.
I want my child. That is all I ask for.
How is your brother coping with the new reality?
Very bad, I must say. You know, to him, the whole world has crumbled.
Don't blame him. I understand how he feels. The impact from the accident is way too much for him, or one single guy for that matter. But did you ask him what made him drink while driving?
He didn't say anything when I asked, but I didn't press further not to add to his worries.
That's right. But come to think of it, whatever made him to drink while driving must be very serious. And that might be adding to his worries, don't you think?
Yeah, I think you're right. But his mood is not too encouraging to engage in a deep discussion with him. Okay? So what do you think I should do?
Right now, I think he needs psychological counseling, if you ask me. Yes.
Okay.
Chibike, please, I beg you. At least consider me too. Please.
No way. She is my daughter and I'm taking her away. I can't afford to leave my daughter for another man. Not when you know that I don't have any more chance of reproducing again.
She is also my daughter. She is my blood.
Good. Then come with me. Let's raise her together.
Chibike, why do you want to destroy me? Why do you want to ruin me? Why do you want to destroy my marriage? This is my marriage I'm talking about.
Your marriage? Did I hear you say your marriage? I remember you telling me that nature will have a way of providing opportunity for us to be today. It could be now. So, why are you shying away from it? Is it because of my condition?
Chibike, please. I beg you. I am on my knees, please.
There you go again. Because you know I cannot use my knees.
Chibike, please.
Trust. I'm gonna give it, come
Hello? Doctor? Yeah, I was about calling you. What about the therapist? Okay, I'm listening. Okay, so how much are we looking at? Okay, why don't you go ahead and make the preparation while I sort out the money? It's okay, I'll be waiting for your call. Okay, bye. Thank you. Hi, so finally, my brother is going to be happy and be treated. This is nice. Okay. I think I have to get back to the house and give him this good news.
You, please, spare me this shame, please.
Aren't you tired of using that word, please? Look for some other thing to say. It's getting so boring.
Okay. Can you at least give me time? Give me time to think this through and come up with something, please.
How much more time would you need? Or are you planning to run? No, I far from it. I can't run. Chibike, I just need time to come in terms with this whole thing. I just need time to prepare my mind for the outcome. I just need time. Chibike, this is so sudden. Good. Don't worry. You will definitely come in terms with it when he returns in the evening.
No. Chibike, be cool. Bike, have you forgotten our sweet moment, the good time we shared, the love making, everything? Chibike, it's me. Chibike, please.
I'm sorry. Amanda is my flesh and blood. I am not leaving her for another man. No, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't.
I think my husband is back. Hi, Bike. Okay, Bike. Chibike, can you not talk? Okay, just allow me to do the talking, please. I beg you. I am going to speak to him. Please, let me do the talking. Please, I beg you. Chibike, please. Okay, just maintain, please.
babe.
Hey, babe.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yeah. You're back so early. I hope there's no problem. What happened?
Babe, come on. One question at a time.
Right.
But it's all good. It's all good. I was calling you off for you. We're not picking.
Oh yeah. I left my phone in my bedroom.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Why are you back so early?
Chibike, how are you?
He's fine.
You do, right? Chibike. Chibike, you can't continue keeping to yourself. You can't kill yourself, okay? You're still a young man. You have life to live. Please. Chibike.
Big bro.
Yeah. Chibike.
I think we need to talk.
Okay, and I think I have something to tell you too. I have good news for you. So, who goes first?
Baby, I think you should go first. Yes.
Oh, really?
I want to hear it.
Yeah, on my way from work to meeting, Dr. Osita called me. You know, he told me that he knows one surgeon that can handle Chibike's case from India. And as we talk now, and in fact, preparation is already on to fly him to India.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
This is good news. This is good news, Osita, you see?
We're taking you to India.
We're taking you to India. You're gonna get proper medical treatment.
Yeah.
Everything you need sorted out. Yes. It's good news. It's good news.
How people be sleeping everywhere. People mislead every corner of the world. Is the happen? How could he fall for this temptation? How could he fall for this disease? Abonyaki was
This one she's not picking. Eh? Hope all is well. Abby, is she doing it intentional? Let me try again.
Sweet loving son.
Okay, Dr. Oxita called and he said it's going to be around 20 to 30 million naira.
Wow.
But that's not going to be a problem. I must find a way out to provide it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate.
You're welcome. So what is it that you said you want to talk to me about? Chibike? Ooh, my little princess. How are you?
Daddy, Uncle Shubike said that is my daddy. Is it true?
Oh, I am your daddy. Yes. And Uncle Chibike is also your second daddy because he is your daddy's brother.
Yes.
No, Daddy, it's not true. You told Mommy that it's my dad and want to take me home. Please, Daddy, I don't want to go home, please. Please, Daddy, I don't want to go home,
It's okay, it's okay. You go upstairs, I will meet you up there, okay?
Yes, baby. Let's go upstairs. Mommy's gonna take you upstairs.
Excuse me. It's okay.
I just want to take her
It's
up.
okay. Did you hear what she just said?
Who?
Did you just hear that?
Amanda? Oh, come on, baby.
Chibike, did you hear what she just said?
Baby, Amanda
don't
is
try
just a child. Don't tell me you're gonna buy what she just said. Are you trying to buy that?
Don't try
She's
to
just
cover
being a
the
baby.
topic. Do not shut me on the topic.
Okay, baby.
What is going on?
Nothing. Let's go upstairs.
You heard what she said.
Yes. She's a child. So we'll go up. You must be tired. So we'll go up, my love. And you tell me everything, right? You know, about his procedure. We'll talk about it upstairs. My love.
Right? So this has been going on in my house. I don't even know. I'm so daft about this. For how long?
Baby, please. I am deeply sorry. Please. I was only trying to help our family. Since they said you can't father a child, I just thought it wise to do this, to just help our family.
God. I know you guys are joking, right? I know this is kind of prank. You're joking, isn't it?
No, brother. It's not a prank. I was only trying to help. The wife here was so devastated and wanted to quit the marriage when she found out about the result. I never wanted to key into it, but she forced me to.
I forced you to? Are you a child? Why are you making it sound like it was all my idea? We're in this together. Are you a baby? Baby.
You better not bring up that conversation. You better not.
Baby, please.
I don't just want to believe that this is happening. You tell me you're joking, Chibike. Tell me you are joking.
No, it's not a joke. I'm sorry you have to find out this way. But since things has gone so, I will have to claim my child. She is my blood.
Shut up! Enough! Enough of this rubbish. Chibike, you. Chibike, come on, you.
Hey, you mean your younger brother has been sleeping with your wife all these years? After everything you've done for them, especially to your younger brother? Hey, no, this can't be true.
You know, the money I asked of you earlier was for his surgery abroad. And the process is going on now, which is going to take about 30 million naira. And I was ready to be part of the bills, to foot the bills.
Do you know, I was actually wondering why you needed the money. Because you never told me anything about this. Such love for a treacherous brother. A very wicked one for that matter.
The idiot is actually laying claims on my child. Can you imagine?
So it's been him all this while. And you're even happy that God has finally seen out for you.
My guy, stop saying that. Stop saying that. That child is mine. And no one is taking her away from me. She calls me daddy. She calls me daddy. And that is what I'm going to remain to her. No one will stop it. No one will ever stop it.
I understand how you feel.
You don't understand. You don't. Can you imagine waking up one morning? Waking up to one devastated story like that? Your wife sleeping with your younger brother? Your younger brother laying claims on your child? You don't understand. My guy, you don't understand.
Your wife, was she okay before you left?
Yes, she was okay. But it's none of my business. Because they are leaving my house this minute.
Okay, just calm down, okay? Just calm down, slow down. Don't hurt yourself.
I am not coming down for anything. They are leaving my house. No, they are leaving my house.
Okay, please, take it easy, please. Just slow down.
They are leaving my house.
Just calm down, please. Okay?
Where are they? Huh? Where are those twins? Two of you have to leave my house now. Hey, don't! I will break your head. Oh. I will just break your head and face the consequences. If you dare touch me, are you mad? Are you stupid? Now, out! Hey, Chibike, you can actually ask her to help you, or you go and do it yourself. Leave my house now.
Baby, please.
What about my daughter?
What did you just say? Nayala? Yeah? Are you mad?
Please.
Huh?
Please, get a hold
Are
of
you
yourself.
stupid?
Please. Okay, it's okay, please. Get hold of yourself.
Did you hear what he just said? Yalapu?
Yes, I heard him. Please don't go physical on him because of his condition, please. Just calm down.
Why?
Allow him. Why are you begging him? No. Allow him to beat up a defenseless young man on a wheelchair.
TBK, shut up your mouth.
Are you still talking? I'll kill you here! You want to kill you here?
It's okay, please. Okay, stop. Remember you called your mom and she asked you to hold on till tomorrow. Please.
I am not holding on again. They have to leave my house now. Do you hear that?
They are leaving, but
are you still sitting there?
Hold on, please.
Leave this house! Out!
It's okay now. Till tomorrow, please. Hold on, please.
I am not waiting again. They have to leave this house. This minute.
Okay, please, they will leave, but just hold on till tomorrow. Let your mom come, please. You have to respect your mom. I beg you. Please, just hold on. Please, just hold on, please.
See.
Oh Jesus, if you want on a walk better, oh Jesus, on a walk better, oh Jesus, on a walk better. Oh, Jesus, on a walk better. Oh, Jesus,
an abominable act against your own brother after all he had done for you? Eh?
Mother, I know I may have made a mistake, but I was only trying to help. His wife here found out that he is impotent and wanted to leave. That would have been so devastated if it had happened. So I was only trying to save the day.
By sleeping with his wife. That is the only way you could save the day.
Mother, do you think that was an easy decision for me to make? I am a man. And I understand how devastating it could be if a man is pronounced infertile. Same reason he hid it from his wife. All I could think of is how to keep my own brother alive.
Chibike, just hear yourself. Do you know how stupid you sound? And you, how could you have done that to your own husband? Has he not been good to you?
He has been. And that partly informed my action. When I found out about his medical condition, I was so devastated. I was heartbroken. And then I wanted to confront him. I was in so much pain. But that was the same period he got attacked. So Chibike asked me not to. That I should allow him heal.
What about later? Why did you decide to keep it to yourself?
I never planned to. On a second thought, I just remembered how much he has been so good to me as a husband, how wonderful he has been to me. And so I decided not to hurt him with the truth. I decided not to. And that was when I
made the biggest mistake of my life. But then again, I felt it was for the best. I felt it was going to make you happy, baby. I just wanted to make us happy. I'm sorry.
Look at the way you two are playing with words. Without an iota of shame on you. Shame on both of you.
What do we do? Mama, stop this. Stop asking me what do we do. What is it? I am tired. I need to go back home and rest. I need rest. I am not used to hard life. My daughter, exercise some little patience. I know we will soon get there. Please.
I should still exercise patience.
We will soon. You keep on saying soon. For how long? We've been roaming around these streets. You don't even know where we are going to. What is it now? Can't you just allow me to go? My daughter. I know I don't know where we are going to, but something inside of me tells me that we are very close to the place. Take a little pity on me. Look at me. I will continue this journey with you on one condition. That in the next 1 hour, if we don't locate the place, I'll be going back home. I have my own personal issues to sort. Thank you, my daughter. I know you have your personal issues to sort, but just help me. God will bless you, I beg, leave that God bless you, matter. Move and where would they go? I don't tire. I get my own issue to solve now.
You caused it.
What do you mean I caused it? You caused it.
You forced me.
I forced you. Are you a child? Can you even hear yourself? Are you okay?
Shut up! What a fool, shut up! What an excuse! Not the vanity!
All these things are not my problem. I've been waiting for you to come. And now that you're here, ask these two to leave my house now.
Mother, I will leave. Yes, I will leave, but not without my daughter.
Shut up, Chibike. Make sure God is full of them. You should think of how to clear your mess. Are you here compounding issues?
I've been keeping it cool. But Mama, if you do not want to see blood in this house now, because now, ask this imp and his sex toy to leave my house now. Mama, do you hear me? Ask them to leave my house now.
My son, please calm down. Everything will be sorted out. And you, Chibike, you claim you did what you did to help your brother. How come you are now asking for the child? If you made a dog,
Mother, I did it to help him. Yes. But things has changed. You don't expect me to live a childless life and watch my own daughter call another man father. Man, it's not possible. Mother, he should rather blame himself for contracting the illness that got him infertile.
You should be ashamed of yourself. In fact, I feel like breaking your head. Killing you with my bare hand. Where is your conscience? Do you not feel for your brother again? I'm disappointed at you.
So Chibike said I should blame myself for what happened to me, right? I should blame myself for what happened to me. And what if I tell you I contracted infection trying to take a bullet from you as usual?
Today, I'll flog you, eh? Come back here. Where are you running to? You get mine. Forgive him. This boy, come here.
Please, ma, please.
Who is the child?
Just pardon him. Stay
This boy a child.
Ma, please.
This boy get mine, steal my money. Eh? You say I can forgive you. This boy is a child. Come here. I will flog you waiting no good today.
See what you have caused.
If I flog you, get mine. Stress me yesterday waiting no good. Come on.
I have told you several times not to collect what does not belong to you.
I was hungry and I saw the money on the floor and just thinking I was hungry.
Oh, you are still lying. Which floor?
You
money
were
that
hungry.
I kept on the chair. You are saying, you see, I will flog you waiting no good today.
First. I better say collect money you made from the plantain.
If I had collected the money from the plantain, it might have not been enough for Mama's treatment.
So how much is the money?
850.
Ma, please. This is 1,000. Just collect it and leave him.
I will flog him. Go back
flog
here.
him now.
I'll beat him today.
Okay, ma, you know what? Just flog me instead.
Ah.
Yeah, flog me instead. Just leave him. Just leave him. Ma, please, just flog me instead.
I should flog you?
Yes, ma.
Okay. No problem. Mama. Come on, come on your hand for him, buddy. Do it, Sha. No wahala. You are quick, yeah? You are fine. Handsome boy. No wahala. I'll flog you, but he's not here. You will follow me, go inside.
It's not to flog again. Just flog me. Our mother is looking for us, please.
Are you going to tell me where I will flog you? No, I will not flog you yet.
Just flog me.
No, nah, I can't flog you in the presence of your brother. He's a young guy and it's an embarrassment to flog you. Yeah, you know, so you have to follow me, go inside. That's where I'll flog you. Don't worry, just follow me inside. Eh? Fine, boy.
Ma, please, what are we doing here? I thought you...
Don't worry, I changed my mind. No? You are a young, handsome man. Just like the way I like them. Don't worry, I won't flog you again if you comply.
Ma, comply? What are you talking about, Ma?
I know you are still young, but you are equally old enough to understand things. I'll let you and your brother go if you sleep with me.
No, this is not what you told him outside, though. I'm ready to be flogged for what my brother did and not to sleep with you, ma.
Listen! I will shout that you raped me, and you see that hefty man outside the compound. He will rip her heart out, and I will still arrest you and your brother for rape and theft.
Ma, please.
So you better comply.
Ma, please. I beg in the name of God, let me go, ma. Please. My mother is very sick, and we have no person to run to, ma. Please.
That is the reason why you need to comply. Else, I will extend my wrath to your sick mother. Now lie on this bed. Come here.
Ma.
What are you
please.
doing? Don't worry. Fine, boy. Don't worry, relax. Just
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Just promise me that you will not steal again.
I promise, I promise.
Okay. It's okay. Just keep to your words. Let's go home.
Hope it's not painful. I'm sorry, I promise not to steal again.
Okay, it's okay. Just keep to your words. Let's go home.
Hope it's not painful.
No, never mind. Just let's go home.
15.
Let's go home, let's go home.
Sorry. Sorry. Very sorry. I promise I won't do it again.
Don't say.
This is one of the things that happened to me. But I never cared to tell you and Mama. All this while, I decided to take it on my own, never to disturb you guys. But you decided to pierce my heart with this. Chibike, why? Chibike, why?
Chibike, you see what your brother had to go through because of you? My son, this is what you have to go through. And I was not there to see all this. Hey, I have failed as a mother.
Mama, you don't have to take a blame for this. You were bedridden by then. So I wouldn't have disturbed you with this.
Chibike, you see what your brother has to go through because of you. Where is your conscience?
Baby, please, I beg you. I beg you. Forgive me. I know that I have sinned against you and against God. And I am deeply, deeply, deeply sorry. My actions are so shameful. I am deeply sorry. I am so sorry, my love. Please. Forgive me, if not for anything, for the sake of our beautiful daughter. Baby, please.
Is it my child that you are referring to as your daughter?
Bella.
Bella, what are you doing here?
Bella, I see the one. Yes.
Hey, my son, please, I know my daughter has wronged you. Please find a place in your heart to forgive her. She's dying.
Son, and I don't know you. Bella, who is this woman and what is she doing here?
She is Angel's mother.
Yes, yes.
Angel is very sick with a strange ailment. The spiritualist we visited said it's only your forgiveness, an act of kindness that can restore her.
My forgiveness? Angel did nothing to me. I am the one who cheated on her.
She used your sperm and fertility for money rituals. After she parted with you, but the spiritualist promised to restore your fertility.
What?
Me, impotent. Are you kidding? I already have a beautiful
daughter, and how can I be infertile? So listen, are you high on some wet, loud or cheap weeds or something? Or did my brother pay you to perform this unscripted nonsense?
Your brother? I don't even know who he is. As for the child we are talking about, she is yours. Only if she was conceived before the last sex you had with Angel. But if it was after, then you need to ask your wife some questions. Because Angel took your sperm after the last sex you had with her.
Young lady, if what you are saying is the truth, how come your friend was sick after the ritual, even without her victim knowing about it?
The Dibia was killed, and that was the beginning of our doom. We were 3 friends, but one is dead already. An Angel is down with a strange ailment. And I tend to lose my sanity every 3 months.
I'm sorry for keeping you waiting, Mr. Casio.
What is the outcome of the test?
I see how anxious you are. But no matter how devastating the news may be, it can be more damaging than it is already.
So should I take that as the bunny answer to the question?
Yes, in part. Miraculously, the DNA test has decided to favor you in the paternity of your child. It's positive.
Oh my God.
Father of your child.
Thank you, Jesus.
Congratulations.
Anyam nire jumanya. Nenegede where people behave in this world. We get where is the conscience? I don't know. Only Mary Fama.
My baby. I'm not crying, okay? I'm not crying. Oh my God.
You can only destroy yourself.
Mama, she's my child. She is my biological child. My offspring. It's been confirmed. Yes. Yes, Mama. Baby. Oh God. Thank you.
Anyam nire jumanya. Nenegede where people behave in this world.
So we get it. Why don't you call them to know the exact date we're supposed to be? That is very important.
Sir, food is ready.
Oh, really?
Yes, I'm done setting the dining.
Where is my little princess?
She's sleeping in her room.
It's okay. It's okay. Adobe.
Yes, sir.
Adobe, I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, sir.
Have you had something to eat?
Yeah, I'll do that, sir. Okay, sir.
It's all right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Papa, this girl is not bad though. She's not bad at all, don't you think? Yes, she's not bad.
Based on?
She's not bad for a wife. Think about it though.
Opagi, I'm here talking business with you. You're looking at a woman, right?
That's why I'm suggesting for you.
Why did that no go eat? No go
Onny reformer, Ojirifajo, Olafuze na miri daloni beleju, dalo wankita. You can run faster than your shadow, but you can only destroy yourself. Ofabala no feli, akwamanne na wanne. Ofabala no feli, ife mele wanne mo. Ife mele mele ya mo. Akwamanne na wanne. Ofabala no feli, akwamanne na wanne. Ofabala no feli, ife mele wanne.